Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a flamingo. Alright, I'm going to be starting with the head. I'm going to be using a pink, doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, I'm going to be doing an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, now you're going to be doing a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Do 2 single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 24 in the round. Alright, we're going to do 4 more rows with 24 single crochet in each row. Alright, there's our 4 rows. Now I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet, six decreases, and 6 more single crochet for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, now you're going to do 3 single crochet, 6 decreases, and 3 more single crochet. You're going to have a total of 12 in the round. Alright, now you're doing 3 single crochet, 3 decreases. Make sure all of the decreases in each row line up so that you're closing the head off. And 3 more single crochet for a total of 9 in the round. Alright, I've added the 12mm plastic safety eyes, 6 rows down and 5 spaces apart. I've also stuffed the head. Alright, I'm going to be doing a single crochet all the way around, except I'm going to be doing 3 half double crochet in the front, which is where all of the decreases were. Alright, you're going to do 2 more rows with 9 single crochet in each row. Again, make sure you're doing 3 half double crochet in the front, So in the front I am doing a half double crochet and a half double crochet increase, just in the front there. Now for the rest of the row I'm doing a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, for this next row I am doing a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18, except for the front I'm going to be centering it so that I have 6 half double crochet in the front. Alright, and I'm going to be doing 6 more rows with 18 single crochet in each row. Alright, I did 4 single crochet so that I'm at the bottom. If you were confused before, I'm sorry. I don't really know how to explain this any simpler. I'm going to be doing 6 half double crochet, chain 1, turn your work, do 6 more half double crochet, chain 1, turn your work. Alright, you're going to do a half double crochet, a half double crochet decrease, half double crochet, and another half double crochet decrease, for a total of 4. Alright, for the rest of the row I'm doing a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. On these long ends from where I just did the chain 1, turn your work, I am doing a giant decrease so that there's not a gaping hole. Do whatever you want. Do whatever's easier. Alright, single crochet around for a total of 12 in the row. Alright, on the bottom you're doing 2 half double crochet, a half double crochet decrease, and now you're going to do 2 single crochet and a decrease around for a total of 9 in the round. Do a single crochet and a decrease around for a total of 6. And then finally, single crochet around for a total of 6. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. I've closed up the tail. This is the general shape you're going to want. So I attached this string here, and I'm just going to do a few stitches from the neck to the top of the body, just so that it will hold its shape and the head won't flop down. Alright, and it looks like I overstuffed the neck, so I'm just going to kind of go in there and fix that real quick. Don't overstuff the neck, guys. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm also taking some short pieces of scrap yarn, and I'm just going to slip stitch that onto the top of the head to make a little hair feather tuft thing, because I think it's cute. It's not necessary. Alright, let's carry on. Alright, I'm not done being difficult. For the wings, I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. I'm going to pull this closed, but I'm not going to actually close the magic circle. Instead, I'm going to be doing a chain 1 turn. I'm doing a single crochet and an increase across for a total of 9. Do a chain 1. Now working in the bottom portion, the part of the circle that you didn't close, you're working 5 single crochet across the bottom, do a chain 1, turn, single crochet across for a total of 5, chain 1, turn, do a decrease, single crochet, decrease for a total of 3, chain 1, turn, single crochet across for a total of 3, chain 1, turn your work. Now you're going to be doing a decrease with all 3 stitches for a total of 1, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, so I'm going to attach the black near the tip on the wing. So I'm doing a slip stitch. Now I'm going to be doing 2 single crochet, make sure that the last one is at the tip of the wing. Do a chain 2 in the same last stitch, do a single crochet, in the next stitch do a single crochet, and then in the next do a slip stitch and break off your yarn. Alright, for the legs, I'm going to chain 5, I'm going to join with a slip stitch, chain 1, I'm going to do 5 single crochet around, Alright, I'm going to do 7 more rows with a total of 5 single crochet in each row. Alright, do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the feet, I'm going to be doing 4 single crochet in the magic circle. Pull this closed, chain 1. Now I'm going to be doing 3 single crochet across the bottom. Do a chain 1, turn your work, single crochet across for a total of 3, chain 1, turn, do a increase, single crochet, increase, across for a total of 5. You're going to do a chain 2, turn your work, do a slip stitch, do 2 more slip stitches, chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, do 2 more slip stitches, chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the beak, I'm using black. I'm going to be doing 4 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, now I'm going to be doing a single crochet and an increase around for a total of 6 in the round. Alright, in the last stitch I changed to white. I'm going to single crochet around for a total of 6. Alright, for top of the beak, I'm doing an increase with a single crochet and a half double crochet. And the next, I'm doing a half double crochet and a single crochet, and then single crochet for the rest of the round for a total of 8. Slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, assembly is pretty easy. I'm just going to start by sewing the back of the foot onto the leg like this.